Welcome back, and in this video I'm gonna unbox, assemble and set up the Hobbyzone Super Cub airplane. Note, this isn't a brand new airplane, it's about 4 years old. I have to assemble it for flight, so I thought I'd make a video. Also, special thanks to the person who gifted me this airplane. But before we start, you can make me happy by subscribing to this channel. So first, let's unbox the airplane. Out of the box, you get a basic 5-channel transmitter. On the bottom, you have your reverse dip switches, including Elevon mix. The sticks do feel good. Besides the sticks is your trim sliders. On your extreme top left is the bind button. Next to it is your gyro modes, and on the top right is your rate switch. The transmitter is powered by 4 AA batteries. The plane runs on a 3-cell 1300 mAh lithium polymer battery with an EC3 connector. Included with the battery is a balanced charger. Other parts include your wing strut, a spare propeller, landing gear fairings, landing gears, the fuselage section, the wing, and the vertical and horizontal stabilizers. All control horns are pre-installed. Along with that, you get your transmitter manual, an airplane assembly guide. One thing this manual doesn't cover is how to replace your propeller. Well, guess what? I've made a video about that a while back, so watch if necessary. You also get some screws, a screwdriver and some extra tubing. First, we're going to assemble the tail section. For that, insert your rudder into your elevator, then insert the tube into your tail section. Along with that, place your tail wheel into that plastic guide. Then take the 2 longer screws and screw your tail nice and tight. To set up your control surface, make sure that your control surface is in a neutral position. Then adjust your clevis by rotating it so that it connects to the control horn. Then pull your tubing in to lock your clevis. Repeat the same step for the rudder. Next, we're going to attach the main landing gear. First, take your main landing gear, squeeze it and insert it into the fuselage slot. To install your landing gear fairings, take 4 of your smaller screws and screw them in. Note that the fairing should be on the outer side of the landing gear as shown here. You do get rubber bands to tie your fairing to the strut, but I lost them, so I'm going to use zip tie. Tighten them and cut off the excess. Since the fuselage is done, attach your wings by using the rubber bands provided in an X manner. Then flip your airplane and attach the plastic wing struts. Screw them in. These are more of an aesthetic than a structural member. Next, connect your battery and close the hatch. Place your airplane on a level surface. Switch on your transmitter, then wait for a couple of seconds for the gyro to activate. Then check your control surface and set your rate. So that's the complete assembly of the Hobbyzone Super Cub. Hope this video was helpful, and comment if you have any doubts. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Until next time, bye bye.